Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products for your everyday needs. Today, we're reviewing the YSLON rubber cleaning gloves, the best red rubber gloves for all your kitchen, cleaning, and household chores. These waterproof, reusable gloves come in a convenient 3-pair pack, offering long-lasting protection for your hands while you work. Whether you're washing dishes, scrubbing the bathroom, or handling delicate tasks like pet care, these gloves are designed to make your life easier and keep your hands safe from harmful chemicals and dirt. These gloves are crafted from high-quality rubber, making them durable and reliable for all kinds of cleaning. The design features granules on the palm and fingers, providing excellent friction that ensures a better grip and control over slippery items. This feature is perfect for tasks like washing dishes, cleaning vegetables, or scrubbing the bathroom, any task that requires a strong, non-slip hold. What's more, these gloves are designed with a comfortable and flexible fit. The soft rubber material makes them pliable, allowing you to move your hands freely without feeling restricted, while the elastic cuff keeps them securely in place. The gloves also come in 3 different sizes: small, medium, and large, so you can pick the perfect fit for your hands. The medium size, which we're focusing on today, has a length of 15.4 inches and a palm width of 3.9 inches, making them suitable for most average-sized hands. They're comfortable to wear for extended periods, even during the most demanding cleaning tasks. One of the standout features of these YSLON gloves is their waterproof nature. Unlike many cleaning gloves that wear out quickly with frequent exposure to water and detergent, these gloves remain intact and provide effective protection for your hands, keeping them dry and safe. After use, cleaning them is a breeze. Just rinse them with water, let them dry naturally, and store them in a ventilated place for future use. These gloves are also versatile. Not only are they perfect for dishwashing and cleaning, but they can also be used for car washing, pet care, gardening, and any other task where your hands might be exposed to dirt, chemicals, or prolonged water contact. They offer a great way to protect your skin from harsh substances, avoiding dryness, irritation, or damage caused by repeated exposure to soap and detergent. Another benefit of these gloves is their reusability. They're built to last, which means you don't have to worry about buying new gloves every few weeks. The material is durable enough to withstand heavy-duty tasks, and when you're done with your cleaning, simply rinse them off and store them away for next time. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable pair of gloves that can handle all types of cleaning tasks while providing comfort and protection, the YSLON rubber cleaning gloves are an excellent choice. They're affordable, durable, and designed with your needs in mind, making them a must-have in any household. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews. See you in the next video.